Hi, everybody. Welcome to the show. I hope everybody's doing really good. This is the second edition of Pollution Blue. We are going to go over the belly pan, the new laser guided BB machine guns, and the landing gear. It's all powered. So let's get to it. Be the bottom of Pollution Blue, and what I did is I took a piece of wood and made a mold, and then another double of it out of some epoxy, and then I put it in a press. I was looking for about maybe 2.5 tons. I probably did about 1.5 tons because you can see the imprints on the mold, so you know there was pressure. It came out pretty good inside and out, so we're dialed in there. Well, it fits somewhat. I'm gonna have to straighten out the front a little bit, but I'm gonna paint her blue. Crazier things have happened. I probably made this way too strong like everything else. It's probably the toughest thing on it. This will greatly reduce drag when you're in a full tilt boogie and make the whole thing go faster and be more efficient. All right, so I got the new guns finally. These pieces are brand new. These pieces are brand new. I got new springs. I'm reusing these because they're special. There's nothing wrong with them, and I cleaned up the barrels and cleaned them. I polished where they slide and greased them. I re-drilled where the barrel goes because there was paint, and I cleaned the gear off real good. So let me install them. Okay, so now we got the main guns in. Now this little BB retainer lets the BBs get fed, and then a little spring gets put on top. There. The spring right there. So we now have the feeder, and then this plate goes and holds those springs down. I'm not going to be able to do that while holding the camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, the retainer pin's in, or the plate. I would say that's working pretty good. You can tell by the sound of it. Okay, so the gear cover is installed, the laser is installed, and that's the adjustment screw right there. So what I'll do is I'll adjust the lasers to the barrels. So wherever the BBs land downrange, I'll put the laser right in the middle of those two barrels. And now you can see the BB tank holds 100 rounds. The gear cover, the motor, carbon fiber floor, and the camera mount and camera. Well, it got a little darker than I wanted it to, but here we go. So here's like the little seat that goes in it. It's got little restraints for the passenger, restraints for the driver, 4-point harness. You can see you fit in it real nice and snug, so when you pass out from all the G's, everything's okay. This bends out of the way so you can get in. There's a little something something in the console, and there's a all-tech Lansing speaker, Bluetooth in the back. Gotta have your rock and roll, even though it's a violation of somebody's copyright. So here is the brand new Radical landing gear. Titanium. Titanium knuckles, titanium main rods. That's my design there, so it's looking pretty killer. And then we have the laser engraved on a round EBSC, Even Balance Suspension Corporation. Then I had them blue anodized. They were actually supposed to be air shocks, but it was just too complicated and pain in my butt. So I put springs in them. Shh, nobody knows. Pretty nice, pretty trick. Go ahead and open them. Go ahead and close them. Beautiful. I'll fine adjust them. All right. So that's like pollution blue at the end of June. At the beginning of July, we're getting new motors from KED Direct. They're 6815 heavy lift series. They're pretty powerful motors. Check it out. We'll have them installed next week.